What's up, Masterminds? I'm here today in a hot, sweaty covered porch to talk about something that is going to be affecting a sector of content creators, and I want everyone to be aware about it. So, firstly, the sector that this is affecting are those whose business model is basically to create blogs that rank for search queries. Let's say, like, what are the top 10 ways to play a druid combatively, or what are the top 10 indie creators or indie dice companies that I can buy from. Those would then either like list you out to an affiliate link, and they would make a commission back on that money. They would have ads on them, and they can make money off of the ads, or they would point you in the direction of where you can make, support the content, like Patreon and stuff like that. And specifically, this is for those kind of like blog and news article sites that have worked to rank on Google for search queries, and then get the traffic to then direct that to the money. Those specifically are going to be and are already falling on really hard times. And this is real. And I'm speaking from this also as a search engine optimization specialist, so I have a lot of knowledge in this area. What's happening is search generative AI. This has already been tested a lot. I've played with it personally, so I understand it on the Google Labs, and it is now being released widely. And what it's going to basically do is that instead of listing a bunch of articles for what are some good resin dice with gold, or zombie themed dice, instead of giving you the regular search results, it's going to have a big box. It's usually like blue or purple, and it's going to kind of scrape what it would show to you, summarize it, and give you that with some links. And so this can be okay for those who are like, what are some good zombie themed dice? Because it'll just show you, and then they'll click over a lot like they would in the SERPs. But if it's more informative, like what are the best ways to competitively play a druid, it's going to tell you, and then you're not going to click anything. Generally speaking, consumers are not going to click. It serves the consumer really well. It serves the creator in the worst way possible, because it's leading to zero-click searches. No one's going to the website. Your traffic goes down. No one clicks on the affiliate links. No one goes to sees your Patreon. No one sees the ads. You don't make any money off of those. And this is legitimately hurting news article sites. This is legitimately hurting those especially who do affiliates kind of sales. So if you did a top 10 indie modules to buy, and you made money from affiliate links on those modules, that business model is greatly threatened. Most of those business models make like 80% of their traffic is organic, meaning that they got found on Google, because that's what their entire thing was built on. This has already closed down a few businesses, and it's going to continue to happen. I don't think this is going anywhere. Generative AI, here's what this means for you. For many of you, this won't mean anything because that's not the kind of business you're building. For a very few of you, you were thinking about getting into this kind of, I'll just blog and I'll have affiliate links and ads. And you need to rethink that, okay, very seriously, that you need to steer away from those kind of lists and information queries that are very easily solved, all right? 2 or 3, for those very few of you who are really in that position where you're getting hurt, 1, obviously my heart goes out to you, because this is going to very much affect you. It might already be affecting you, and you're going to need to find a different way to do things. And I don't have the answer for that for you, because I don't know what your business is. I don't know what you're trying to sell. I don't know what you're trying to create. But I'm going to tell you right now that if your thought is to just kind of buckle down, hold the fort, and keep going, I'm, as a search engine optimization specialist, going to warn against that. I am going to tell you to diversify immediately. If anyone who you can get email lists on, get it on there. Focus on driving traffic, and focus on diversifying how you make money, because it's going to get harder from here if this is how you make money. And I don't like being the bearer of that bad news, but I want to tell you early. I want to tell you now, so that you can make those changes now, instead of just running on a treadmill that's going nowhere for a year until it finally just crash. I want you to do that now. So hopefully, and if you have any questions about how this might affect other sectors, here I am. Reach out to me, comment, let me know, tag me, whatever. I'm right here, always trying to help y'all make the best of the situation. Because for many of you, by the way, this will have an awesome opportunity to ease the sales cycle, to just direct people straight to buying from you. There's opportunity there. But right now, I'm just going to cover for those people that are going to be negatively affected by this. I wish you the best of luck. I hope that you listen to me. And I hope that you pivot and that you make the best of this situation as possible to continue on the journey that you are trying to travel. Good luck.